for past almost for 4 days. It touched 41, 42 and all. So it's gone so quickly, very hot. So that is there. Okay, great. So let's go to another participant. Let's go to Ankita. If Ankita did something, Akshita would have done the same thing. So it's also asking one is enough. Your English at 8 is also like kind of, if she gets one thing wrong, she will also get one thing wrong. So I just wanted to ask you, you discuss and write the answers, or how is that? But every day I see you, if
Yes,
Ankita
sir,
has got it wrong, you discuss and do.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, I thought so maybe. Okay, but you should do individually. That time, then what will happen? Everybody is getting wrong. No, both are getting wrong. So, so I know you are twins. You are the same English learning thing. But the thing is that you might be thinking different. Sometimes you might get it right, or Akshita might get it right. So do it individually today, right? So you have another how many? Almost like 3 weeks of English at 8. Okay, so that is something keep in mind. Okay, brilliant. So what did you do, Ankita? Something special?
Sleeping, then doing household chore daily, and cleaning the room. That's it.
Okay. So household chores, but one day you said you don't do much of a household chores. Everything your mom does.
Yeah, sir. But the cleaning room, that all we have to do.
Okay, cleaning room.
Mother will also come and help, but we have to clean the room. That's all.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, and you didn't go out anywhere and all?
No, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Thanks, Ankita. So Akshita, same?
Yes, sir.
All same. Okay, great. So brilliant. So you two have you two always are friendly, or you also fight sometime? Arguments and fighting and all those things also happens between you.
Yes, sir. Always used to fight
Always, is it? Oh, okay.
for silly reasons.
Silly reason. Yes, yes, yes.
After 5 minutes, we will be all right.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
forgot that.
Okay, absolutely. Because after 5 years, maybe maturity, but still, we always have difference of opinion and all those things. As long as that is there within the what they call structure, where it doesn't affect in a bigger way, that's also very fine. So that's the same thing with friendship as well. Okay, so that leaves us with Renuka. Same question to you. What did you do on the weekend?
Sir, no free sir, yesterday because
Uh-huh.
cleaning that is.
Okay, cleaning entire day.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You also have a family, or you stay with your parents?
Parents, sir.
Okay, you stay with your parents. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay, brilliant. So, so that does it. I believe we are only four. I'm sure Rashmi is also checking whether Anita is going to log in, and she will also not join. Okay, 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 fine, fine, fine. Right. So Rashmi is also a participant. Let's also ask her. So Rashmi, what did you do on the weekend? Okay. Okay, fine. So you have settled down now in terms of shifting. You shifted two houses, and now you're finally okay. Okay, internet and everything is doing fine here. Okay. How far is this place from the first place where you went, where you were staying? Is it 6 kilometers? Okay, okay. This is in Udupi, isn't it? Okay, you are in Manipal. Manipal is like Manipal 5 kilometers. Okay, okay, fine. So Manipal is the same place where Manipal University is the same place? Oh, okay. So they do online thing, I believe. Manipal distance education. I've seen that. Okay, fantastic. So everything is settled with you. That's good. Internet is good. Everything is good. So that's great. Okay, brilliant. So let's carry on now with. Okay, we have 6 participants in that case. Right. So we have only 5 participants. Okay, fine. So what was the task? Was there any task which was there for us today? Anyone? No idea? Okay, so let me check my tracker. So it says that
Yes, sir, we had, but on Friday you gave some topic that we have to prepare questions based on that. On Saturday we have to, on Friday we have, you told to discuss, but you forgot to discuss about that.
meaning the questions, huh?
Yeah, yes, sir. You gave some topic, right? Role model.
Role plays.
Role play,
Role
yes.
plays. Okay, okay. So Friday we didn't discuss because we were doing comprehension.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
fine. Okay, right. So, fine. So you could have reminded me because one of you, if it happens like that, no, you can always remind me because there are a lot of activity which we are doing in three groups, and it's all in different what do you call scales. So one day we are doing one activity here, and another batch we are doing a different lesson plan and things like that. So in future you can always remind me. So we didn't discuss the role plays. I explained to you. Great. Anita is logging in now. Fantastic. Uh, Good. Anita is logged in. Fantastic. Okay, great. So what we can do is that you can always remind me, anyone. It can be anyone. But here, I think Akshita, I have said that she'll keep a track. I think it's Akshita, isn't it? Keep a track of all the words.
Yes, sir.
And so that is something which we can keep a track of. Okay, fine. I think you said something on Friday also to me, I believe, right? So Friday also you sent me some words and all. Okay. So now what we can do is that we can discuss. I given the role plays. I've explained what we will do for the role play. Role play, I believe, and I wanted you to prepare the questions and come here. Correct. That's what you wanted to do, and then we will. The other participant will listen the questions, and then we will do the role play activity. That is what it was told. Correct. Correct me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fantastic. So great. So just before we carry on, let's check with Anita as well. Anita, very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Fantastic. I just asked all the participants how was the weekend. So everybody shared what they did. They had a very great weekend, everybody. Right. So I just wanted to check with you also. What did you do on the weekend?
I was at home only, sir. After 1 month, we got yesterday 1 week off, sir.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Fine. So you were you used it.
It was good only.
It was good only. Always, yeah. Break is always good, and sometime when you're deep down into the work, you also need a break, which gives you some freshness and all. So you slept well, or what did you do?
Slept, sir. Even my
Slept.
sister's daughter has come home.
Uh-huh.
I was playing with her, sir.
Fantastic, fantastic. Kids are so nice to play because they let you forget everything, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so fun actually. Fantastic. But when you have to take care of a kid for 24/7, then that's a big headache also.
Yes, sir.
Lockdown time, right? When they don't go
Yes,
to the
sir.
school and everybody is at home. So that is a different, very difficult thing as well. Good that you are with us now. Brilliant. So let's, we are discussing about the role play questions. So tell me who is whose partner? Pooja, who's your partner, Pooja, for this particular task?
Anita, sir.
Anita. Okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So have you got the three questions? What are you in the task? And have you got the three questions for Anita?
I'm the customer. Anita is the restaurant manager.
Okay, fantastic. What are the questions you want to share with Anita? Anita, you have to make a note. If you have any doubt, you need to ask her. We are not doing this task today. So hopefully let's check on Tuesday, which is tomorrow, whether we have something. We don't have any task, so we can do it tomorrow. Yes. Yes, Pooja.
Hi, good morning. I visited this place when I attended a marriage function of one of my friends. I loved your service, so I want to book the hall for my brother-in-law's marriage reception. Event is on May 13th, 2021. Are the hall is free on that day?
Okay. Is the hall free on that day? Or
One
change?
question.
Is the hall free on that day? Okay. Just make one change. Is the hall free on that day, Pooja? Not are the hall free on that day? Fantastic. Like the question. Look at the question. It's a big question. She has put a lot of effort in preparing the question itself. Right. So that is also something where she's putting effort into making an lengthy question, also English, because she will be in that zone in terms of writing that question as well. Fantastic one. Yes, Anita, any doubts in that?
No, sir.
You understood the question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's a big question. You want her to repeat, or it's fine? You have understood.
Sir, I'll ask her to text later, sir. But I understood, sir. But I understood.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, great. So what's the next one, Pooja?
What is the budget for hall and stage decoration?
Okay, Pooja, do you think it's an open-ended or a close-ended? It looks like a close-ended.
Yes, sir.
So what you can do is that what is the budget for the hall and decoration, and also add another thing. Can we pay in part installment? Then Anita will say yes or no. Then how would you decorate the hall? So once you ask how, then she will tell we'll put flowers here, we'll put screens here, we'll put that here, we'll put this here. Okay. That way you can, it seems like in close-ended, we are making it open by adding something where Anita will explain.
Okay.
Okay, fantastic. Great. So what's the final one, which is the third one?
One thing, I loved your food, but my uncle have a catering service. So we thinking we will give the food service to him. Is it okay to get food from outside?
Okay, is it okay? Fantastic. Yeah, that's also kind of an close-ended only. She will say yes, or she will say no. But I like your questions. The thought you put into the question, that is really, really fantastic. I appreciate for that. Right. So how can we change it? Is it okay? If it's not okay, if it's okay, good question.
Then how much we need to pay for one plate, like that question?
Absolutely, something like that. You make it so that Anita will have to explain. I don't want it to be a yes or no. I don't want her to say like, okay, give it, or yes, you can do that, or no. So it will be no, right? So something where she can answer, right? So that is fabulous. Okay, great. So anyway, you're going to text these questions to Anita. So Anita has any doubt, she can always ask, and so make it more and more of an open-ended one. Fantastic. I like the brilliant thing. This is the first time we are doing. Even 201, I've given the task, but we haven't started it as yet. So I'm starting several things here first, because I'm happy with the way of commitment, the way you are here and you are taking the task and then doing it as well. So that is really, you can pat your back, all of you, right? So that is really fantastic from this particular group. Fantastic. So Pooja is done with her questions. So let's go to Anita. Anita, what are the questions for Pooja for you?
Sir, doctor, sir. If I'm
Yeah.
not wrong. Can you please ask Pooja, is it doctor,
Yes.
sir?
Yes, Anita is the patient and she will ask to me. I am
Okay.
the doctor.
Okay.
Okay, 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 sir. Okay, okay. I have acne on my face, doctor. Can you please suggest me the treatment? Do I have the home treatment, or can you suggest me?
Good question. Very, very good. All the doctors are money-minded only. They say home treatment will not work. So let's see Pooja what she will do. It's a very funny one. right? Because even if you don't have any ailment, you walk into a hospital, you will come with a huge bill. You'll sometimes, some hospitals are now saying, not everyone. So I'll leave it Pooja. So Pooja, this is a good one, I think. So you can explain in detail. That's a very good question, Anita. Fantastic one. What's the next one?
Will you help me, doctor, or else should I take any helpline online treatment?
Okay, for that, no. How will you? So, will I help you? Pooja will definitely say yes, but then you can add something like Anita. How will this treatment be done? What are the procedure? Will it have any sort of side effect? Those kind of things you can add and send to her. Then she will have to go in detail and explain. Okay. So if you ask, will I help? Will you help?
Will you?
She will definitely say yes. I'll help you. Right. So you ask these things. Will it have any side effect on the face, or will it do this, that, and everything? Right. So that way she will be able to explain in detail. Okay. Understood, Anita?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fantastic. If you want to write, if you are writing it down, please write it down, and then you can
Yes, sir.
last.
I wrote, sir. I wrote,
Okay,
sir.
fantastic. What's the last one?
Will you stay? Will you tell me to stay back for the treatment, or can I go home?
Okay, will you tell me to stay back for the treatment, or can I go home? Okay. Or if I stay back, what will be the charges? Those kind of a thing, right?
Okay,
What
sir.
charges, and will a visitor be allowed? What time they can come? Can outside food be allowed? Those kind of a things can be asked, which can be added, so that what she will do is that she will help you with these things.
Okay, sir.
Okay, brilliant. So, Pooja and Anita, I'm sure both of you are clear now. Right, so
Yes,
let's
sir.
to fantastic. So let's go to what happened to your camera, Anita. At some time, if you can switch it on, will be great when you're not talking. Okay, brilliant. If you have, yeah, that's better. So others can see you. It's more interesting if we can do that. Okay, so let's go to Renuka. So Renuka, who's your partner?
Ankita, sir.
Fantastic. So Ankita is here itself. So what are you and what are the questions? Please share with Ankita.
Ankita, store manager, sir. I customer.
Okay. Not I customer. What
My
you,
customer.
sorry?
My customer, sir.
No. I am customer. I am customer. Okay. Ankita is store manager. That's very good. I am a customer or I am customer. Okay. Fantastic. Yes, go on.
First question, sir. As a store manager, how much maximum discount can you offer me?
Okay, and if she says only this much, then you can also ask her why only this much. Last month you gave me more, right? Like that also you can ask. Then what Ankita will do is the last time there was a whole-end sale or something like that, right? So that is she can explain. Very good question, Renuka. Fantastic question. Okay, what's the next one?
Next one, sir. What kind of mobile do you have? What is high-ended and low-ended mobiles?
What kind of high-ended and low-ended mobiles you have? Fantastic, very good. High-ended and low-ended. And what are the features? If you want to add that feature, what are the features? Then she will explain 3 GB or 2 GB or 32 GB space and those kind of a thing, right? This in screen, that in screen, all those things. Okay, fantastic, very good, very good. What's the next one?
Why should I buy the phone from your store?
Okay, very, very good question. Fantastic, Renuka. Fantastic. Why should I buy the phone from your store? Very, very good. Fabulous. So, Ankita, you're clear on the question.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. So, what are the questions which you have for Renuka.
I am a telecaller.
Uh-huh.
I considering banks.
Okay.
We are collecting the feedback of bank, like service, what all the how was the staff.
Okay, so
Feedback
make it
about
simple. We are collecting feedback of our bank services. We are collecting feedback of our bank services. Okay, very good.
Then do you have a experience? Do you have any experience like fraud call? Like we are from the bank. You have this much of amount is debited to your account, like OTP. Hello.
No, I didn't understand. Are you asking the feedback of the services or what are you asking?
Second question is asking about the fraud call.
Okay, first question is clear. You're asking the feedback about the bank services.
Yes.
How you are happy with the bank services? If you are, then you can add. If you are happy, then you should ask why you are happy. If you're not happy, why you're not happy? Then Renuka will explain. If I'm happy because I'm happy for X, Y, Z reason. If I'm not happy for the X, Y, Z reason. So it's an open-ended now, right? Rather than close-ended. Or else Renuka will say yes or no. Okay, brilliant. What's the second question? Second one, please. I think.
Hello.
What's the second one, Ankita?
Hello.
Yes, please say the second one now. Second question.
Okay. Do you have any experience of fraud call?
Do you have any experience of fraud call? Okay, what's the last question?
Compare the online payment and coming to bank and paying the amount like deposit or withdraw. Comparison.
Okay. So what is the question? Comparison between online payment and coming to the bank and making the payments.
Yes.
Compare. Okay, so that is third question is a good one. Third question is like she's saying, compare between the online payment and coming to the bank and making the payment. So that is a good one. So you can talk about benefits and negatives and those kind of a thing, features and all. So that she will explain. That's one. Second question, what you said is that rather than asking, do you have any experience of fraud? You can ask like this, do you know how to avoid yourself from fraud? Right? How can you protect yourself from fraud? Right? So she will explain, Renuka will explain, because always don't go to any URL where it comes and check the URL. Sometimes you go to a different URL and make the payment, right? And don't give information to third party, right? Because they will steal the information on the phone. And always check with the bank. Somebody is calling and saying they are from the bank, don't give your credit card or debit card information, those kind of a thing. Do you know how to protect yourself from fraud? That's a question for you, Renuka. Do you know how to protect yourself from fraud? Then probably Renuka will explain all those things. You have to explain, right? You can protect yourself by not giving your details. Check the bank URL and make the payment. Don't give anything and everything to someone on the phone. Those kind of a thing you will say. Okay. So Ankita's three questions are clear now. Fabulous. Okay. That leaves us with Akshita. Akshita, I think you are part of Suprita, correct?
Yes, sir.
So Suprita is not here. So we can add Rashmi for you, right? Because let's not delay on this task. We have other tasks for you as well. So I think Rashmi was not there. I believe she was not there. So can you explain to Rashmi what is the task? And Rashmi, listen to what Akshita is saying. This is a role play. And so everybody by now you would have understood we are playing some roles here. So there is a task. We are exchanging the questions today. So we will frame some questions for you now itself so that this task can happen tomorrow. She is explaining the fantastic. So she is explaining the questions for you now. Akshita, what are you and what is
Rashmi is the auto driver. I'm the customer.
Okay, fantastic. This is
Okay,
this
first
is a great
question.
one. Yes, what are the questions you have for Rashmi?
I am a new visitor to this place. Can you suggest a new place which I can visit? Famous place.
Fantastic. New places, famous place. Fantastic.
And
Very, very
second
good.
one,
Uh-huh.
why it is famous for?
Wait. Hopefully Rashmi is taken it. Rashmi, you've taken it. You're going very good. You okay, you'll ask with the later. No, she's a simple question. I'm new to this place. Have fantastic. Okay, great. She can ask later also if she wants. What's the next question?
Second one, why it is famous for?
Ah, okay. Why it is famous for? No,
Like
first question itself, you can explain this is famous for that, that is famous for that, and all. So we will do another question. What is the third question?
third question, compare your life with the other person, like who are in office under the AC who are working. Compare your life and their life.
This is a brilliant question. This is a brilliant question. Okay, this is a brilliant question. That's a fantastic one. And now what we can do is that the next question. What is another one? There is a lot of questions we keep asking the auto driver. Okay. What is another question we can ask? You can ask like, think. Is this your own vehicle or is it from the bank? So are you making enough money to run your family? Tell us about your family. How many members? We keep asking these questions. I've asked many of them, but women, they generally don't speak. Much. For men, long journey and all, no, you have to have some kind of conversation. The question can be what it can be. Is it your own vehicle or someone else you are riding for? And tell about your family. Is this money enough to run your family? Tell me about your family members and those kind of a thing. Right? That would be the second question. Okay, Rashmi, I think you're clear. Okay, fantastic. So Rashmi, what was Suprita then?
Suprita is a team leader.
Fantastic.
I'm a worker.
Oh, okay. You are you are not a worker, you can say. You are the team member.
Okay.
That's the way we will speak. Okay. So worker meaning everybody is working only, right? So she is a team leader. You are the team member. Okay, fantastic. So Rashmi, you have to think about 3 questions. Okay, so we can make 3 questions for you now and this itself. So what are the 3 questions? Do you have anything in your mind? The members. Okay, I'll give you 1 question, or we can frame 3 questions now itself. What we can give is that first question is that one thing you can ask is like, Akshita, tell me why you're taking so many leave. Can you give me an explanation? That's a typical one the managers ask. Right. So that is one question. Another question is like, could be other members are able to finish this task in 6 hours itself, why it's taking 10 hours for you. That could be another thing. And one, we will keep good positive question also. Positive question is that, Akshita, this is your first job. How you're looking to grow? What are the things you have to